Hi, my name is Jamie and I'm one of the counselors here at Langara. I want to extend a warm invitation to you to come practice mindfulness meditation with us on Wednesdays throughout this semester. We're running a weekly drop-in group open to all students. You may join us one time or come every week to deepen your practice. No previous experience is necessary. Each week we'll be offering a version of a 4-step meditation called RAIN. The R in RAIN is for recognize what is going on in your experience right now. The A is for allow the experience to be here, just as it is. The I is for investigate with gentle curiosity. And the N of RAIN is for nurture with self-compassion. Now, this is a practice we will be deepening together in community, and it's a wonderful practice for bringing calm, insight, and new perspective to any stress or difficult emotion you might be experiencing at some point during this semester. So we look forward to practicing with you soon.